My name's Gena Dominique. I work in the STAC lab at Notre Dame, and our lab looks at cancer metastasis, mainly ovarian cancer metastasis. I got involved in a sort of let's just try this idea out project where we started looking at how the gut microbiome affects ovarian cancer metastasis. So there's mounting evidence in the field that the gut microbiome can affect several different cancers. Usually people look at how it affects how cancer patients respond to treatment. And there's a lot of work on cancers like colon cancer where the tumors are in direct contact with the gut microbiome. But I've started looking at how the gut microbiome can affect ovarian cancer, which is not even in direct contact with the inside of the gut. So this summer, I did a project in which I had mice with ovarian cancer, and the mice were treated with a fecal slurry from healthy cancer-free mice. At the end of the cancer progression, those mice that were treated with healthy gut microbiota actually had a lower tumor burden than the mice that were not treated with any gut microbiota. So, and the other thing we noticed in this study is that they had lower tumor burden on their mesentery, which is the organ that takes blood to and from the intestines and carries nutrients out from the intestines. So it looks like the gut microbiome can have a positive or negative effect on cancer, starting closest to where it begins to interact with the rest of the body. We found that the age matters. So the aged mice that were not treated had the highest tumor burden, but then the aged mice that were treated with healthy aged gut microbiota actually had a lower tumor burden than the aged mice that were treated with healthy young microbiota. I did a review and found that people have looked at the gut microbiome in aging, and they've looked at the gut microbiome in ovarian cancer. But as far as I'm aware, no one has put the two together. So this research, I believe, is the first to do that. And second, because fecal microbiota transplantation is already an established treatment for other diseases, it may be a preliminary step in the way of modulating the gut microbiome to better help cancer patients.